Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create Acubi style and dress to impress for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can go to the dressing room and we're going to wear the coats item, this jacket, and I'm going to color it with this color, this one, and for the next selection, I'm going to color it white. Okay, just color it white except the first selection. Okay, the next one, I'm going to go to the jeans area. It's right here and we're going to wear this jeans. I'm going to choose this color, this one guys, and then I'm going to make it denim. Okay, all right, and then I'm going to go to this back area and wear this back, color it black, and then we're going to move to the shoes area and wear this sneaker, and then I'm going to color it this blue for the next selection, the second selection, color it this blue, and for the fourth selection, color it this one. Okay, and then I'm going to move to the accessories, and then I'm going to wear this earphone. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.